Hi everyone, it's Siv. Welcome back to my channel, A Crafty Poodle Mom. I received some happy mail. I received some happy mail from my sweet friend Tina. Hey Tina! She is the Scrappin Rabbit on YouTube, and I will link all of her Instagram, YouTube, and her blog in the description box below. I am a guest designer for a collab for the month of October, and I will put all of the information below so that if you are interested, and I hope you do join us in creating some cute critters for her collab, I would love for you to join in and see what you can potentially win. She is so sweet. This is how the box is packaged up. So this is a kit that she sent me. It's filled with Halloween cute critters. And the challenge for me is I'm going to be making 3 projects, 1 card, 1 tag, and anything goes. And for people that would like to enter into this challenge, it's the Halloween Cute Critter Challenge. You would need to use your own crafty stash and incorporate a stamp set that's a cute critter, and just have fun with creating any embellishments to add onto your projects. And so a version of one of these kits will actually be posted on her YouTube. So be sure to check out her unboxing and her challenge giveaway. So those that want to participate, again, if you want to create 1 card, 1 tag, and 1 anything goes, all you need to do is leave a comment on her video as well as my video with your YouTube or IG or wherever you want to post. You don't have to mail anything in, just posting your creation, and it's simple as that. It's such a sweet way of pulling out your Halloween critters and crafting with them. Now, the challenge is going to start from October 1st and it'll go through until the 22nd, and she will announce the winner on the 23rd. So I hope that you can go onto her channel and check out all of the details. And let's see what she sent me. This is so super cute. I know this is a handmade with love card because she always makes the most precious Halloween cards, or I mean, not just Halloween cards, but she makes the most amazing handmade with love cards. So I guess this is the, I believe the Rabbit Hole Designs. They created a stamp and I was so enabled by her coloring, I had to purchase it. I have not played with it, but I do plan on playing with it and sending it out to a crafty friend. I like to create multiples and do like an assembly line. So when I have a moment, I plan on doing that. So I will do a share of that. But look at the card that she created. Brooms are for amateurs. I have been riding my bike every weekend, with the exception of the past 2 weekends. We had a heat wave, triple digits, and then we had some fires throughout California, and the air quality hasn't been very good. So haven't been doing that, missing that. So this is so darling. I already read this card. Tina, I adore you. And thank you so much for thinking of me. This is also a tag that you can also create, or a bookmark, whatever you feel that you'd like to create. So 1 card, 1 tag, and 1 anything goes. So this is a cute little bookmark, or actually a tag, that I will probably use as a bookmark, popping out to say Happy Halloween. And there's this cute little black kitty popping out of the jack-o'-lantern. This is so adorable, Tina. Look at how cute. And her signature cards, as well as all of her projects, whenever she stamps, she usually likes to emboss her lettering, her stamps, and it creates a pop to her projects. And look at her coloring. Isn't it amazing? She is an amazing colorist. I love her process videos where she gets to color her projects. And she added some little white shadows in the jack-o'-lantern. How cute, Tina. And sending me this cute little kit to craft with. I am so excited to be participating. And she added a whole bunch of different shred. So in it, there is a like a satin sheer, or actually a sheer ribbon. It's black, that I can use to create my either card, tag, or anything goes. And I think the anything goes that I'm going to be creating is, I'm going to try my hand on a chunky memory decks card. So I hope to be able to achieve that. Look at how she packaged this little potion bottle filled with jemmies of Halloween colors, traditional Halloween colors. I love it. Look at how cute. She distressed it and added or stamped some spiders, and oh my gosh, it's too adorable. It's so adorable. Thank you, Tina. And then here is a sequin mix. She created a fun little sequin mix for me, and I'm going to make a shaker with this. How sweet. And look how she packaged it up. It says eek with a little spider, a dimensional spider. So cute. I love it. Then here in this pretty little spooky box or envelope are some die cuts. Oh my gosh, look at how cute this looks. So we did speak ahead of time of this unboxing because I was so super excited to get all the details. And so she cut these little die cuts out using her Cricut. This is, she knows I love Halloween, Hello Kitty. So she cut these out and she created one for me so that when I paper piece it, I know how to add it onto the strips of paper. And then with this one, so she cut several for me. Look at that, how cute. And I love how she distresses the edges just to add a little bit more dimension on each of the die cuts. How cute. And a little Halloween treat bag. It's absolutely adorable with little bones. This is so cute. Here, let me open this one so we can take full advantage of this little doggy. Too cute to spook. So cute. I love it, Tina. Thank you so much. So I am going to be using these on my tag card and my MDC. And then she also sent me from Pretty Pink Posh these really cute little critter stamp set where I can stamp onto my tag, my card, or my MDC. And you can choose whatever you want to create with for the third option. Look how cute. This is from Gina Marie Designs. It's a little die cut of like an apothecary jar, and in it a little skull, a spider, and a little caterpillar. So spooktacular. Then she added some black gems. I love that. And how cute. This is the die cuts with the view. Pets and Pumpkin matte stack. And I have opened it up earlier to check it out, and I do want to do like a flip through. This is double-sided. I think this is at Joann's. So there's a holographic bat page. I love, look at that hologram. Beautiful. And it looks like there's 2 in each pack. And on the back, really small images. How cute. And then there's this page or design. And then the black on the back. The holographic, purple holographic spider webs with the little cute cat and dog with their little bones. And then also here, some furry friends. How cute, dressed in their little costumes. And these are little paw prints. These are Halloween stripes. On the back, a design, a bat design in purple. There's another little holographic bone design paper. And on the back, more furry friends. They're ready for their dog parade. How cute! This is a Howl-O-Ween. Hiss, eek, happy Halloween. Boo for treats. Lick or treat. So cute. And on the back here, there's a whole bunch of little bunnies and cat. Oh, too cute in their little masks. Some candy corn. And an array of different candies, some sweet treats. Some more holographic little dots. And on the back of that one, little spider webs, orange spider webs. Oh, these are so cute. Little furry friends in their little ghost costumes. They're going to sneak up on somebody and say boo. And then little paws. Here's some orange dots. And more Halloween furry friends within their little costumes. How cute. And lastly, this little holographic piece of striped paper, as well as little words. How cute. So cute. So thank you so much. I'm going to have fun playing with this stack. Tina. And last but not least, this is a little coffin, and she wrapped it with some ribbon trim, and it says open if you dare. How stinking cute is this? Look at this. This is such a perfect little coffin. And inside are some bits and bobs. So let me open it up so we can check out all of the bits and bobs. So she included for me an orange, purple, and black sequined ribbon, and some paper clips, or not paper clips, some little, oh dear, I forget. These are clothespins. Yes, and little charms. How cute are these little charms that I can dangle? I can create a little chunky charms. Some of these little spiders. And let me pull these out. This one is a little charm of a bone, a paw print, a couple of paw prints, a fun little jack-o'-lantern, and bones. How cute. So I will definitely be creating using this. This is going to be part of my Halloween stash, and I hope everyone will be able to collaborate with us and join in on this cute critter collab so that we can check out and be inspired by all of your cute little creations, your furry friends that you have. You know, we all have those little furry friend stamps that we can use for any holiday. So this month's challenge is going to be for Halloween, and it's a Halloween cute critters. And so if you are able to participate by just posting and tagging Tina with your project share, that's all you need to do. You don't need to mail it in. Then you can be entered to win her giveaway, and please check out her channel so that she can share with you all of the giveaway details. So thank you so much for watching, everyone, and stay tuned because I will be posting a couple of really fun videos of my card, my tag, and my memory dex card. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.